In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams status quickly and efficiently. Whether you're setting your status to available, busy, or anything in between, updating your visibility to colleagues in Microsoft Teams is easy, and we'll walk through it step by step. First, let's start by getting into Microsoft Teams. You'll need to sign into your account if you're not already. Make sure you have your credentials handy and log in through any internet browser or directly through the Teams app on your desktop. Once logged in, you're greeted with your Teams dashboard, a hub for all your virtual collaborations. Now you need to head over to your profile image or initials, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. This is your personal stamp in Teams and provides quick access to your profile settings, including your status. Clicking on your profile not only allows you to present yourself professionally, but also lets you manage your interaction visibility with your colleagues. When you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll find various options, one of which is your current status indicator. It usually shows as available, busy, or another status you've previously set. Your status here informs others of your availability and helps manage expectations about how quickly you can respond. Selecting this option takes you one step closer to managing how you're perceived to be working. From the options displayed, you might see several statuses like available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away, and offline. If you want to customize when or how frequently your status automatically updates based on your calendar or activity, you can choose these options depending on your work needs for the day. This flexibility ensures you're only interrupted when you want to be, crucial for maximizing productivity if you're in focused work sessions. Choose your desired status by clicking on it, and you'll see that it updates immediately. This update allows your colleagues to see that you may be more or less available for collaboration or communication. It's a small but mighty tool in managing workflow and team expectations. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your status in Microsoft Teams. Easy, right? Remember, your status can show your availability without having to verbally explain it to each colleague. It's a seamless way to communicate non-verbally in a bustling virtual environment. Consider adjusting your status regularly to suit your daily workflows. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick and impactful tech tips. Keep exploring the capabilities of Microsoft Teams to fit your working style and enhance your collaboration. Enjoy a more productive and stress-free virtual workday.